Hi guys, Robert Sinclair here, Born Focus Films, and today we're going to speak about my new Okay, now before we open it, let's talk about specs. Now mate, specs on this. 13 inch I went for, portable, small, compact, fit in my camera bag, no bother. 16 gig of memory, 1 terabyte SSD, which on my last one I had 128 gig mate, and you know what, to this day I don't know how I dealt with weddings and commercial work on that. You have to delete stuff, put it on the hard drive, delete stuff, put it on the hard drive. But them days are now over. 1 terabyte of storage was a must for me, so I went for that one. Also was a must, it was the 4 Thunderbolt C cables on the side. My last one had 2, and I'd have to charge it fully before I transferred files, because otherwise the battery would run out, and it was a nightmare, and it was like dongle city. But no mate, no dongles mate. No, in fact, where them dongles at? Where are them dongles at? Dongle, mate. What we got, dongle? We got this one. That one there. Took me about 3 years to find that. It actually has two USB-C drives, and you can see that, yeah. But it took me years to find that, and mate, it's so slow, so slow. Dongle. Still need to keep that. Dongle city. Get rid of that. Get rid of that dongle. Don't need that. Don't need that. Mate, don't need no more dongles. That's one of the reasons why I got it. Also the touch bar, ain't really used the touch bar yet. My last one didn't have it. Ain't too fussed, but if it speeds up my workflow, I am game. Full size backlit Magic keyboard. Now to be honest, the butterfly keyboard, mate, I didn't think it was that bad. People were upset, but for me, I thought it was all right. I mean, I'm not the fastest typer, but I thought it was all right, to be fair. FaceTime HD camera. I heard the camera ain't the best. Should have upgraded that. Speakers are supposed to be decent, so let's open it. Let's open it up. Ooh. It's a bit thicker. I think the box is a bit thicker. Something quite pleasing about pushing that down. Anyway, let's warm up. Oh, okay, so let's open it up. Okay. Oh, looking good. 13 inch. There we have it. Looks good. Let's put it on the top down. Beautiful. Looking forward to opening that. We've got the cable. USB-C. Quite long actually. Yeah, my last one was quite long, so perfect. We have the instructions and Apple. That's what I like about Apple. So simple but effective. That's why I love the old Apple. So yeah, let's open it up. Ready. I just love it when you open something new. Ho ho ho! Look at that sleek design. We have a Thunderbolt there, beautiful. And we have another 2 Thunderbolts there. Exactly what I was looking for. Right, let's see if it's charged up. Oh, bit harder to open, is it? Or am I just being stupid? It's a bit stickier. It's a bit stickier. Oh, now we have. Oh, turns on straight away. So it's turned on straight away. Not like the last one. Loading. Okay, let's set this bad guy up. So what annoyed me on my last laptop was files being stored on my iCloud from the desktop. Because it was only 128 gig, I thought it was a good idea. But anything I wanted to get off my desktop, I had to download it. Now the new all files and photos in iCloud, setting up my new MacBook Pro, they've asked me this question here, which is store files from documents and desktop in iCloud. I'll tell you something, no thanks. Okay, that's me logged in. Looking at it, bezels seem the same. Yeah, it's 13 inch. The keyboard is more spaced out. Obviously it's not a butterfly no more, it's a Magic keyboard. We've got a touch bar at the top, which looks nice. Yeah, so let's compare this 2020 MacBook Pro to my 2017 MacBook Pro. First of all, we'll compare the size. Now the size is not too, the size looks pretty similar. I actually think the new 2020 model is a bit thicker than the 2017 model. It's got a different open tab there. But yeah, not too dissimilar in the size. Obviously they're both 13 inches. If you open them both up, there's a 2017, open them both up. And the keyboard, looking at it straight away, a lot of complaints about the butterfly keyboard, but I quite like the butterfly keyboard. It's quite nimble and quick. But the new Magic keyboard, it is a bit softer on the fingers, and it just a bit more push in the buttons as well. But yeah, it seems pretty. Seems like a bit of a better experience. I'll tell you what I do like though. I do like that touch bar. I really do. I don't think I'd be too bothered about it, but after using it the last half an hour, it's quite efficient actually. Okay, so next what we'll do, we'll test the speakers. We'll test the speakers on each of them. So let's start with the 2017 model. That's it on loud. Okay, 2020 model. Start. 2017. 2020. Feel like a DJ, yeah. Yeah, a bit carried away there. But yeah, speakers seem good. I think Apple are the only laptop company who actually care about the speakers, because any other laptop that I've heard, it's always that tinny sound, that horrible tinny sound you hear. But Apple actually, I think they take pride in their speakers. Yeah, so overall, 2020 model, really happy with it. So far, I've only had it half an hour, but really happy with it. 2017 model, quite attached to this laptop as I started my business on it, and it's been a workhorse for me. I might do a giveaway, future videos with it, but at the moment I'm gonna keep it for now until I've sorted this new one up. Got this new one up and running, which I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, that's my MacBook Pro unboxing review. First impressions, whatever you guys like to call it, but I'm happy with it so far. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of the 41 already, then subscribe. Helps the channel a lot to grow. And I'll see you next week for another video. Born Focus out. Ta-da!